This is a one owner 2006 Acura MDX Touring. The timing belt was replaced at 98,000 miles. There has been no accidents or damage reported. You can view the Carfax by visiting www.onyxautosales.net. It will also confirm this is a one owner vehicle. There are 6 cylinders, 3.5 liters. There's your tires. The interior is a leather in excellent condition. This Acura seats 7. You can entertain your passengers with a DVD player. There's your rear air controls. Your navigation screen is also your backup camera. There's your stereo controls. That's where the DVD goes. There are no lights on. There's your steering wheel controls. You can pair your phone to keep your hands free. There's seat memory. Also has a sunroof. Enjoy today. We have clear blue skies, a beautiful March morning. If you are looking for an all-wheel drive vehicle, you need to come into Onyx Auto Sales, located in Logan at 95 West, 400 North, to check out this Acura MDX. Purchase your car from Onyx Auto Sales and you will drive away with a full tank of gas and a smile. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock.